Hi, hope you're all doing great. We have created a list of contents covering all topics in our e-classes as well as study club discussions. So you'll have a PDF where you can find the entire list of topics. So subject wise we have segregated these topics, and the advantage is you can access them easily once you find a specific topic in that list. You're searching for a specific topic, so you find it in the list, then it's obviously there in e-classes or study club discussions. This way you'll know the number of topics that are being covered, the type or range of topics that are being covered, so that it will be easy for you to access the same in e-classes as well as in study club. Right, you can find this list in our general section of e-classes. Also, we'll be uploading the same in Google as well as WhatsApp groups.